So, hi everybody. Today we are going to be talking about what is Easter about.
Well, honey, do you actually know what is Easter all about?
Yes, it's about coloring eggs and about the Easter bunny.
Easter bunny, like you are. Well, actually, yes, this is correct. But it's not only about coloring eggs and Easter bunny. There is a real story behind it. It's about rebirth of Jesus Christ.
What is the eggs about?
What is the meaning of egg, you want to say?
Yeah.
You know, egg represent a new life, a new beginning. That's exactly about rebirth, you know? That's why egg has a real secret meaning of Easter.
Oh, so now are we going to color eggs?
Yes, we will make them pretty, colorful, and amazing. Are you ready?
Yeah! So let's start to paint them.
Yes, we have a lot of different options. We have stickers.
We have paint. We have eggs.
Yes, and we have some other paint which will show you how to use it later.
Yeah.
So, let's start from the paint which we have in our cups. We need to take an egg and just put it right there. But there is a little magic. You see this pencil? You can just draw something in the egg and then put it in the color, and then we will see what will happen. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, take an egg. Draw something you want.
I want to draw a heart. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
Should I put it inside?
Yeah, but wait a second. We need to use this hole, yeah, and put it inside.
But how?
Okay, let me help you. You put it right here, and we need to wait. Now this egg should to wait to color, okay? Let me draw mine. So I will go like zigzags, you know.
And you guys should subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, and like our video!
Yay! This is so much fun to do together. Don't do it by yourself. Don't color eggs by yourself. Bring all your family, all your friends, and have fun, guys. Alright, we have 2 eggs right now. We need to wait. They will color. So let's try to use these magic stickers. So we need to take an egg. Okay, I choose this one. Choose yours.
I'll do this one.
Okay, just put it in it like that.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, and we need to put this egg like that in a hot water. So right now we have very hot water boiled, so be very careful. Do it with somebody who's adult. Okay, so we're putting our egg like that. Woo! You see? Let me do yours, and we will show you the result. Okay. The stickers just go all around the egg. You see, guys? Is it pretty?
Yeah. Take mine out.
Yes. Yay! And we can put some more stickers, more colors. Yeah, give me a napkin, please. Oops.
It's fine.
It's absolutely fine.
Where is it?
This is one. Okay. And this is 2. Beautiful. So let's put more stickers on it, right?
Yeah.
We have more stickers. We want to make them very colorful and really, really beautiful. So I will take it away because the hot water, you don't need to play with this. We have these kind of bags. It's a special plastic bags where we can put our white egg, and we have different colors, and we'll just mix it up, mix it up. Just be creative, guys. There is no rules. You can decorate eggs as you wish, as you want. Just follow your heart. Just right here. Natalia, you see? Look at this. And which color do you want? We have purple, we have blue, we have pink, we have green.
We can have green.
We can have, okay, let's do maybe pink. Let's put some pink color. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. One is done. So let's do maybe...
I'm not done yet with the stickers.
You're not done yet with the stickers?
No.
All right, I'll be waiting for you.
Yeah, done.
Show us. This is Natalia's egg, your first egg. Woohoo! Okay, let's continue doing this.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna...
No. Which color? Let's put some more colors. Maybe
blue.
blue. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And let's add some yellow.
Yellow. Yellow's perfect.
Yeah, just put it in the white spot.
Done.
Done. So right now we are just putting it all over.
Let's mix it.
No. It's good. You see? Don't mix it all together because all the colors will become something there. Yeah, exactly. We just keep a little bit blue, a little bit purple, a little bit pink, a little bit yellow, and then we all mix together. So we take off this egg. You see how colorful is this egg? And we need to put it and make it dry first, and then we'll use a napkin. You see? It's so different. You see, there's so many different colors.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, we will keep it here. That will make it dry. All right, so we have one more egg.
Yeah.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it happens sometimes. I guess this one we will eat right now. So we cannot color this anymore. But not a big deal, guys. It's fun. Let's first of all check our eggs, which we put in the color at the beginning, right?
Yeah.
I guess they are already ready.
Okay, you take out mine first, and I'll get paper.
You're the boss. Ooh, look the color. Look
Where's
at
the
this.
picture?
Let me see. Let's first of all put it in a napkin. Do you see you were drawing something like that?
Yeah.
And it's still here. Okay, we need to dry it.
Now we bake these awesome cookies that we are gonna eat
Soon, but before
soon.
we want to decorate them because we have Easter, so we have a little bunny.
And we have a flower and
We have a basket. It's a basket where we can draw eggs to. So,
Yeah.
which one do you want to decorate?
the chicken.
Okay.
Which one are you gonna decorate?
I think I will decorate a bunny.
Okay.
Is it you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Show me what you have. It's like a bunny chicken. And I have a very colorful bunny.
Like it.
I like it too. So let's have a bite.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. It's so much fun to bake them, to decorate them, and for sure to eat them. So, are you ready to meet a real Easter bunny?